Update on the Piggy Paints. I went to, like I said, I probably would put another small order, and I did. I couldn't get off the nail polish. It took forever. I used acetone, and I used like one that was like acetone mix, and I got their nail polish remover. I noticed that when I was putting on hand sanitizer, I noticed that the nail polish started lifting, like crinkling actually. So I'm like, I think you need their polish remover. And I did get, like I said, I wanted this looked like it was being discontinued. It's the black, so I got it. It was like half price, and it smells like blackberries. They also have some neons, so I got the neon purple. It's called Groovy Grape. And they had a little Halloween set, so I got that. I think these are UV light activated. You've got the glow in the dark, the black, and the orange. And both of these are frosty, so that's cool. So, my order came, I got enough to get the free shipping, and that's probably the last order I'll put. I honestly do like them, but it's that they're a little hard to work with, but I do like them. I love the concept of scented nail polishes. She's got a lot of colors on there, and so hopefully next time I use it, I'm gonna try this nail polish remover. And I think there's some sort of legal thing going on in California, so she makes one specifically for California. I think this has alcohol in it, which is the same thing sanitizers have. So I think that's why you need hers. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to show you. Next week I'll probably do the second palette. It's called Midnight Magic with the last watermelon lip gloss, and that's it. All right, guys, take care. Love you. Mwah. Bye.